Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new Pet Loadout feature in Grow a Garden cooking update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that Grow a Garden has just dropped a new update, and then in this update, we'll get new feature called Pet Loadout feature. So when you click on this icon, you will know your active pets, right? And then you will get loadouts, and this is my second loadout. I have 6 active pets on this loadout, and then on my first loadout I have 4 active pets. And with this feature guys, you'll be able to group your pet, and I have already made a group. For the first loadout, I put Shiba Inu, and then red giant ant, and then dinosaur and flamingo. And for the second one, I put the pets which can give me mutation, like this one, this bee, and also this I don't know how to call it, this Tankozuru. Okay, and I really love this feature guys because I can easily switch my pet. I'm going to switch to loadout 1 or my first loadout, and you need to wait for about 3 seconds or 4 seconds to load new pet. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.